Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix this build of Vanguard is out of compliance with current system settings problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. The VAN9003 error that we will solve today is due to the inactivity of the secure boot in our BIOS. Secure boot is a feature used while Valorant is running. We need to activate this feature through the BIOS. Today I will show you how to enable this feature and how to fix the error if you still get the error after enabling it. BIOS settings may vary depending on the motherboard of the computer. And the key to enter the BIOS may also be different. We usually use the F2, F10, ESC or delete keys to enter the BIOS settings. To learn the BIOS key of our computer, we type the BIOS key after typing the brand and model of the computer into the browser. In this way, we learned the BIOS key. Now we restart the computer to enable secure boot. While the computer is restarting, we will press the BIOS key and enter the BIOS. While the computer is restarting, we press the BIOS key. And I enter my BIOS password. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the BIOS menu may vary depending on the motherboard of the computer. First we come to the boot part. As you can see, we cannot access secure boot here. To access this part, we need to set a password for the BIOS. To set a password, we come to the security section. We come to set supervisor password and press enter. We set a simple password here, like 1, 2, 3. We set the password. Then we click change TPM state and enable. We come to the boot section and we make the boot mode UEFI. Then we click on secure boot and enable it if it is disabled. Finally, we come to the exit part and click on exit saving changes. Or click on save and shut down. In this way, we will save the settings that we have made. This was our first solution. We have solved the problem of the secure boot being disabled, which is normally the reason we get the error. We shouldn't get the error. However, some motherboard models keep giving this error even though they have secure boot enabled. In the second and third solution I will show you how you can fix this error for these motherboard models. Here we save the settings and click yes. If we still get the error even though we have enabled secure boot in the first solution, it is because secure boot is not activated although it is enabled. In the second solution, I will show you how to solve this. This problem usually happens on Asus Gigabyte and MSI motherboards. So for these motherboards I will show you how you can do it. Since my motherboard brand is not one of these brands, I will show you how to do it through pictures. First of all, after entering the BIOS, we enter the settings in boot. In the boot mode select section, if it is CSM or legacy, we change it to UEFI. This was for MSI. For Gigabyte, we come to the boot part from the BIOS. We disable CSM support. In this way, we close the CSM completely. This was our first step. Our second step is to disable secure boot. For MSI, we go to security and then to secure boot. We are making secure boot disabled. For Gigabyte, we go to BIOS from the top menu. Click on secure boot and disable it. This was our second step. Our third step is to make the secure boot mode custom. For MSI, we go to settings first, then advanced and finally secure boot. We make secure boot mode custom. For Gigabyte, we come to the boot from the top menu. We are making secure boot mode custom. After customizing this mode, we make it standard again for both MSI and Gigabyte. Here we will receive a message like factory defaults or restore defaults. We confirm this incoming message. After doing this the BIOS may shut down. After shutting down, we will enter the BIOS again. After entering, we will enable the secure boot that we have just disabled. In this way, secure boot will be activated. Finally, we will come to the save and exit section and save the settings and we will be able to play the game without getting the error. Normally, when we activate secure boot, it was not active, but thanks to the steps I have shown, secure boot has become both enabled and active. In this way, we will not get the error. This was our second solution. Many users have shared this solution on Reddit. I will put 3 relevant Reddit links in the description of the video. If you don't understand through the pictures, you can click on the link and get the solution in more detail. This was our second solution. Our third solution is a simple one. We are getting this error because we are using Windows 11. That's why we're going to switch to Windows 10 instead of Windows 11. In this way, you can completely fix the error. This error is specific to the Windows 11 operating system. You can get rid of this error by going back to Windows 10. However, I will not show you how to return to Windows 10 in this video. You can find a detailed video in the cards section at the top right. This was our third and last solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.